now?
Right. Well, we are Salmonier Park. We are a wildlife rehabilitation center and a education center. We take in injured wildlife throughout Newfoundland, Labrador, and try to patch them up and send them back on their way home. So yeah, the animals here we have on the park, on our trail, are the ones that have been rehabilitated, but they cannot be released because their injuries are too severe.
Yeah, they're all here for a reason, and an example of this is our snowy owl. She flew into power lines in northern Labrador and had to get half her wing amputated, so she can't fly, hunt, and live on her own, but other than that, she's perfectly fine, so we feed her and she can stay here with us alive, rather than getting put down somewhere or something.
Couple of years.
Was it 2015 we were here last? Yeah, I think so. And it was a family. Remember that? It was a little family. Had been born.
It's called the Great Horned Owl.
He's going to sleep again. He says, I am so tired of this heat. I'm going to go on.
Does he say that?
They can just fly out. The wings are
Obviously, he's not going to eat it. Just go with before over the years, but today he's, I guess, hiding from the sun.
Yeah, I just seen them
I
there.
don't blame him,
So if you kind of
Yeah.
squat down here and see
Yeah.
the box.
Oh, you've seen him.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
just
you know
looking
where
at
he
him.
hides out.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
I
he's just on
see.
top of the box.
But he's right there above that box.
In this. I don't know what it is. You're looking for water, there's a nice spot here.
He's on here on this side.
In this. Arctic box.
Wake up, Mr. Fox. Say hello.
She's from China, and this first time she's been here as well.
Oh.
So
We
like
enjoyed
it.
it. Yeah, we enjoyed
Yeah.
it. It was nice to see kind of a local flora and fauna. It was a nice summer walk. It was a pleasant experience. I'd definitely come back.
I'm Cassandra, and she's Lala.
Hello, so how are you enjoying the park?
Really good. Yeah. Really good.
Yeah?
This looks so real. Just stick your face up to it.
I know.
It looks so real. The eyes. I know.
Good.